Hey, it's Aaron from SaaS Hero. Wanted to take a minute and invite you to join us for our webinar that we're going to be running about how we regularly get 40% conversion rates from LinkedIn campaigns. So instead of doing some video where I try to hype you up and get you all excited about a potential idea, I want to actually show you a real campaign that's benefiting from this process that we've been executing, and I can show you the real results right now. So let's jump in here. What we're looking at is a campaign for our agency where we're promoting a lead magnet that we created called the Science of Conversion, where we outline 4 of our most outside the box customer acquisition experiments that we've run for B2B, SaaS, and professional services businesses. So we launched this campaign in the beginning of October. You can see our total ad spend just over $4,100, 235 leads at a cost of $17.48 per lead, which for a professional services business like ours, where we're charging, a decent monthly retainer into the, 5 figures in some cases, $17 leads are amazing for us. But here's what I want to show you. If we scroll over here, we'll see that we're converting all time at around 36, just over 36%. But over the last 30 days, and we'll just go ahead and sort that here, you'll see that once it loads up, let's update that. Look, we're at exactly 40% actually up to today, January 23rd, 2020. So we are running this webinar. We want to go through step by step the exact strategy that we deploy in order to get a 40% conversion rate on campaigns. So that's almost every other click turns into a lead for us, which is insanely profitable. If you're like us in professional services, if you run a SaaS business and you're looking to generate top of funnel leads for your B2B product, we have the perfect solution for you. It does work. We execute this all the time for our B2B SaaS clients. Now, if we go in here, that we're testing several pieces of ad creative and systematically figuring out which of those are actually performing and ultimately producing and getting ourselves these super high conversion rates. So you can see that we're testing tons of different ads. Some are converting at better price than others. You can see this one is converted at $11 a lead and is at 46.15%. Over the last 30 days. So that's a winner. And so we're going to show you how we execute this strategy, how we create ads, what we do in order to plan out the campaigns and launch them. So I urge you to join us. You're going to find something valuable here. We have an amazing giveaway for you as well. So scroll to the bottom of this page, enter in your information, and we'll see you there. Looking forward to it.